Dear Michelle Downer, alright, suppose you would rather me call you the angel? You are getting me upset? What verse did you appear in within the Bible for you to be an angel? I don't seem to recall any long, lean, provocative and flirtatious angels in the holy book. You are getting me upset. So not only have you blasphematically labeled yourself as an angel, but you have decided to continue on this ungodly path by creating an OnlyFans. The Lord is supposed to be your OnlyFans. You are getting me upset. What is this video of you dancing I am seeing? Was it supposed to be a striptease? You are shaking your bumper like it is heavy. Might I remind you, it is not. You are getting me upset. You have been blessed with such a youthful and godly body, yet you choose to shake and expose the Lord's blessings like it is goods at the marketplace. The angel, stop getting me upset. You should clap your hands to the Lord, yet you choose to clap your ass for applause. The angel, stop getting me upset. Are you secretly trying to attract back being a man in your life? Why are you exposing yourself and then you come on social media and you blast and chastise the fans after sharing your own self-exposure? The angel, I seem to recall an incident with coffee. I won't even speak on that, but you need to refrain from acting like the female version of L.A. Lewis. You need to stop it. I thank you.
It's epic out here.
Shout out Production.
Radical and big.
Epic Flow.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
You know I rep epic flows when I step into my clothes.